So we're doing an elephant toothpaste demo test. And right now we've got our hydrogen peroxide, the 3% one, which isn't very much, and some warm water, and some dishwash soap, and we've got a mixture. What's in the mixture here?
Some yeast and some warm water.
And you mixed it around. And now we're going to put it in here, and what's going to happen? Really quick.
Well, we will have to pour it in very quickly and then take this off because it will explode.
And which one's the catalyst and which one's...
The catalyst is the yeast.
Yeah, and the catalyst is going to do what? It's going to make the hydrogen peroxide separate between the oxygen and the water. And it's going to just make that reaction go faster, right? Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very slowly. Maybe we should have... Okay, now take that top off, do a little mix. Yeah, this is the slowest elephant toothpaste reaction yet. And what's happening in there? So right now, the oxygen is separating from the water and the hydrogen peroxide, and it's growing, but I'm not sure, it's very slow. A few minutes.
No, because you can actually touch it.
Remember why it's hot?
That's so cool.
The catalyst, which
Do you know why? It's like an exothermic reaction. Remember between, and remind me again, is it